Hi everyone, welcome to Automite. Please note that this is not a sponsored video. Just wanted to show you something very simple that I do because I do ship items. I am an online seller, and I wanted to show you that these are peanuts, packaging peanuts, and I believe it's made out of styrofoam. So nothing happens to it when you put it in water, obviously. And I believe they're saying that these can last up to 500 years without, decomposing, and they're really bad for the environment. These peanuts here, they're made out of starch. There's nothing bad in here. And if you use it and the people who receive the package see, they can put it in water and it just disappears because all it is it's starch. So you can even put this in your compost bin and it'll just biodegrade, and you can feed it to your plants, though I would be very careful because too much starch in your plants could be actually bad, so you don't want to overdo it. But this is what I use for shipping. Do keep in mind that if you're sending like heavier items, 20 pounds or more, you don't really want to use this because they're very soft and they can become compressed, and the heavy item inside the box can start floating around and eventually get damaged. But if you're, doing anything under 15, 20 pounds, light items, and if you're shipping it, you can use the starch-based peanuts. And if you don't want to put it in your compost bin, you can also just put it in the sink and let it turn into water, get mixed with water, and just go down the drain. And that's it. Really good stuff. Thank you for watching.